I'm using classical sport fabric for this dress. I'm making my start line, and my vertical measurement are from shoulder to bust to waist and to under bust. For under bust, I just took 3 inches from the bust line. Shoulder measurement divide by 2, armhole circumference divide by 2. For the darts, I'm using nipple to nipple measurement divide by 2. So I'm using 2 inches for the darts, so 1.5 inch on the other side and ½ inch on the other side. And I took 1 inch under the bust area and then connect the lines using my curved ruler. I took 1 inch for shoulder slope and 3 inch for the neck width and 3 inch for the neck depth. For the neck depth, I'm taking 1.5 inch and curve. On the armhole area, find the midpoint and then put your bust measurement divide by 4 and curve. On the shoulder line, find the midpoint and connect the line, and then take 1 inch above the bust area and ½ inch and ½ inch on the other side for the shoulder darts. So I'm just adding that 1 inch that I just took, and then I'm putting my bust circumference divide by 4 and my waist circumference divide by 4 and add 3 inches for the dart allowance and sewing allowance. For the back, I'm putting 1 inch for the darts, and then I'm connecting above the chest line, 1 inch above the chest line. I took ½ inch on the other side and ½ inch on the other side, and then I put my bust measurement and my waist measurement divide by 4, and then I added the dart allowance and the sewing allowance. So just cut the lining and open the darts. Do the same thing in the front. Cut open all the darts. So what you're going to do, you're going to join all the pieces together. After that, you're going to connect both the back and the front at the shoulder and add your sleeve. Check the link below on how to draft and cut a bishop sleeve. So connect your sleeve to your dress. After attaching your sleeve, you will close your dress inclusive with the sleeve. Watch as I'm doing.